Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this power supply. It's a Be Quiet power supply, TFX Power 300 watt. It's 80 plus gold. They say it is silent, but we go to test that. And then yeah, it's for a small computer. I'm not sure what the form factor is. It has a special form factor. I will tell it later to you what it is, but yeah, it's for a mini PC. So I will show you the mini PC. So I have here the mini PC. You see, I'm making a NAS. A network attached server, and this power supply is in it, and this is the same as that. So I go to replace it with a more efficient power supply, and that's why I bought these. So we are going to unbox it now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe and you can win something. So we are giving away laptops, computer stuff, Bluetooth, sound speakers, you name it. So you only have to subscribe and you can win something just by only subscribing. So please do so. And then here, yes, we have the power supply unit. We go to see what's in the box. Voila, it's a small form factor power supply unit. So it's some kind of manual, a power cable, and then some straps or something, how do you call it, plastic straps and screws. So and here we have the power supply unit. So this is all what is in the box. This is what is in the box. Then you have the power supply unit itself. Whoa. Voila. This is it. Be Quiet TFX power supply. TFX 3G. So this is it. And then you have the cables. You have the cables here. This is an ATX connector, 20 plus 4 pins, so 24 pin. This is I think a CPU connector for extra power. And then 2 times cable for hard disk. For SATA, 3 SATAs, 2 Molex and a floppy disk. And here you have, I think this is for PCIe. So this is all what is in it. So 300 watts maximum power supply. You see, it's completely black. We go to use the scale to see how much weight is in it. Voila. That's a kilo 50 grams, so that's over 2 pounds. So this is good, huh? If you like this video, don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe. So I will see you in the next videos. Bye bye.